Welcome everyone to another episode of The Average Desi Joe, bringing you tips, tricks, and reviews. And today we're going to be talking about the Bambu Labs A1 print 3D printer. I am telling you, this is one of the most amazing piece of hardware I have ever seen. I put in my review on the P1S, and I actually was not a big fan of that printer, but I also have this A1, the regular A1 printer that Bambu Labs has just come out with. As you can see, this is it's more of an open box type of printer. There's no enclosed box around it. The P1S comes with an enclosed feature. Some people like that. I was a big fan of that. But one thing about this A1 is that it is extremely fast. The quality has been incredible, and honestly speaking, the noise factor is actually lower in this printer than the P1S, even though the P1S is enclosed. As my daughter would say, this whole table would be shaking once the printer is printing. But as you can see, this printer is quite stable. The table doesn't shake as much. The quality is quite divine, actually. And what it does is similar to the P1S. It comes, so I bought the one with the AMS light system. So it comes with the 4 PLA stations that you can put in there. And of course, we've actually printed this out. This is a small plate just to pick up all like the excess stuff that comes out. Overall, I think so. Overall, this printer has been incredible. We've had it for about a couple of weeks. There has been a few times that the PLA has gotten stuck in here, but again, the beauty of this, the big reason why I've loved this printer is the fact that if anything does get stuck, it's easy to get to. There's no enclosed features here. You're not trying to put your hands, trying to figure out like how to extract some of the tools from inside the extruder. This is all open. It's very transparent in terms of when the PLA gets stuck. There's actually only like 2 or 3 places where it can happen. One is right here, and then you can just pop this out, pull out the PLA. The second is, you see it down here, so again you can pop this out, and the third is in the extruder itself, and this also easily pops out. I don't want to do it right now, but as you can see, it's printing right now. It is quiet. It is definitely a lot quieter than the other printers I've had. This piece of machinery is about, let's see, if you look at it, it is about 17 inches. So if you look at this, it's about 17 inches in height, and about, let's see, what is that? It is about about 17 inches in width. It weighs about 25 pounds. Excellent piece of hardware. It really comes ready to run. You just take out the plate. You just screw in the top piece to the bottom plate. There's a few screws in there that you need to put in there, but apart from that, this A1 mini, this is not the mini, this is the regular A1, has worked phenomenally. Again, the quality of the prints have been excellent. Everything about this printer is it's one of my favorite 3D printers out there. I would highly recommend anybody who's starting out or who's trying to get one to definitely get this one. So hopefully you've liked this quick review. I'm gonna spend more time, add another review on this, more about the pros and cons. Right now, this is just my general perspective. I've had this printer for, like I said, about maybe not a week, maybe a little bit more than that, a couple of weeks. Love it, and highly recommend it. And as you can see, the touch screen here, very well made. In fact, any issues that happen now, it actually gives you some resolution options. So that really helps, especially in the 3D world. You don't have to go Google or anything like that. You can just simply put it in here. All the updates, the scheduling, the settings, the filament controls, everything is through this beautifully made screen. And actually it moves as well, so if you don't want it, if you want it out of the way, although it is out of the way, it works perfectly. Other than that, hope you enjoy this quick review, and please follow and subscribe, and I will add a more detailed overview with the pros and cons for this amazing wonderful printer. So hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.